Curcumin is the primary active compound found in turmeric, responsible for many of its health benefits. This powerful substance is renowned for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These effects can help combat various chronic diseases, making curcumin a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. However, one significant challenge lies in curcumin's absorption. It is poorly absorbed in the bloodstream when consumed alone. To enhance its bioavailability, it is often recommended to combine curcumin with fats or black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that significantly increases absorption. Understanding these factors is essential for maximizing the health benefits of turmeric and curcumin. Proper turmeric dosage is crucial for reaping its health benefits while avoiding potential negative effects. Excessive consumption of turmeric can lead to gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea or diarrhea, and may interfere with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. Additionally, high-concentration turmeric supplements can pose risks, as they may contain elevated levels of curcumin that could overwhelm the body's natural processes. This underscores the importance of moderation and being aware of individual tolerance levels. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before significantly increasing turmeric intake or starting supplements, ensuring that you enjoy its benefits safely and effectively while minimizing any adverse effects on your health. Curcumin is a fat-soluble compound, meaning its absorption in the body is significantly enhanced when consumed with fats. To maximize its benefits, consider mixing turmeric with healthy fats such as olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado. These fats not only improve curcumin's bioavailability but also contribute to overall health. Additionally, incorporating black pepper into your turmeric intake can further boost absorption. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that has been shown to increase curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2,000%. By combining turmeric with healthy fats and black pepper, you can effectively enhance curcumin absorption, ensuring that you fully benefit from its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When comparing curcumin supplements with whole turmeric, it's important to note the lack of regulation in the supplement industry, which can lead to inconsistencies in quality and potency. Many curcumin supplements contain isolated curcumin, which may not provide the full spectrum of benefits found in whole turmeric. Whole turmeric contains a variety of beneficial compounds, including essential oils and other curcuminoids, which work synergistically to enhance health effects. Additionally, excessive intake of curcumin supplements can lead to potential side effects, such as gastrointestinal discomfort or interactions with medications. Therefore, incorporating whole turmeric into your diet may offer a safer and more balanced approach to enjoying its health benefits while minimizing risks associated with high-dose supplements. Cooking turmeric can significantly enhance its health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your meals. When turmeric is heated, its active compound, curcumin, becomes more bioavailable, allowing for better absorption in the body. To maximize these benefits, it's essential to use fat when cooking turmeric, as curcumin is fat-soluble. Incorporating healthy fats, such as olive oil or coconut oil, not only improves absorption but also adds flavor to your dishes. By encouraging viewers to incorporate turmeric into their meals, whether in soups, stews, or stir-fries, they can enjoy its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties while enhancing the overall taste of their food. Embracing turmeric in cooking is a delicious way to boost health and wellness. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be both easy and delicious. One practical method is to add turmeric to curries, soups, and stir-fries, where its vibrant color and flavor can enhance a variety of dishes. Another popular option is turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. To prepare it, simply heat milk, dairy or plant-based, and whisk in turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup for a soothing beverage. Additionally, making turmeric pickle is a great way to enjoy its benefits daily. Combine fresh turmeric with spices, vinegar, and salt, allowing it to marinate for a few days. This tangy condiment can be added to meals for an extra health boost. In summary, proper turmeric consumption is essential for maximizing its health benefits, particularly through effective absorption methods. We discussed the significance of combining turmeric with healthy fats and black pepper to enhance curcumin's bioavailability. Additionally, we explored practical ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine, such as adding it to curries, soups, and stir-fries, as well as preparing turmeric milk and pickle. We encourage viewers to try these suggested methods to enjoy the numerous advantages of turmeric. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and explore our related content for more tips on health and wellness. Your journey to better health starts here.